Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic text intro in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut, and first of all, we need to create new project, and then you are going to open the CapCut library. Just go to the library and choose the black background. Okay, add it to your project, and we're going to add text to this video. I'm going to click on text and then add text, and I'm just going to type in text intro, and you can change the font if you want. I'm going to select for instance this font, and you can zoom in like this. You can customize it as you want, then click on the check mark, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Wait guys. Okay, and after that we're going to save this video to our device. Click on export, and then just wait until the video has been saved to your device. Okay, then go back to the CapCut homepage and create new project again, and just import the video we have just saved to our device. And we're going to go to overlay. Go to overlay, click on add overlay, and we're going to add wire effect to our text. You can click on the library and go to the atmosphere. Okay, and you can use this effect to create cinematic text intro. Just add the fire effect to your project. Wait guys, I'm going to cut it. Alright, and then we're going to blend the fire effect with our text. You can click on the splice option and choose the darken. Okay, and this is the result, and I'm going to adjust it guys. Right, and you can also add animation to your video. Just click on the video and click on animation and choose the animation that you like. I'm going to select, just for example, this one. Okay, then this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a cinematic text intro using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.